안녕하세요, 여러분. Ever since I came to Korea, I've been struggling to find food that is suitable to my particular diet. I follow a vegan, gluten-free diet, which is quite unique, and a lot of my friends who have similar dietary restrictions have struggled to find food. Thus, our team decided to start VAS Foods. We are vegetarian, vegan, allergen-safe foods. My team, it's made up of Nikita, Hyuk Jin, Lee, Ipal, and myself, Lianne. Like I explained earlier, our current situation that we as international students in my class face is that we struggle to find food that we can eat that are safe and comply essentially to our dietary restrictions. Like the pain point that we face, that we struggle, like I said, limited choices in the market. The taste and texture, people perceive that these foods have bad taste and texture. There's unclear ingredient lists. So when we buy food, so sometimes we can buy a food that has something that we are slightly sensitive to in the market currently where we say there's a lack of understanding of vegetarian vegan diets are things like ham and eggs are considered as vegetables. There's a limited awareness currently of what allergens are. And we also find a poor understanding of gluten-free options. This is just a cultural issue. It's just like something that we have learned and we adapt to. However, that's what we as fast food want to solve. And another thing that we face is that the current delivery apps do not cater to foreign students immediately when they get here. You need a residence card to actually apply for the majority of the delivery apps for Whole Foods. If you look at the market is growing. Korea is famous throughout the world, and the popularity is increasing. So there's an increasing amount of students as well as international tourists coming to the country. If you look at the projected market of international tourists coming to Korea, there's a projected increase of 30% for the next 5 years. Students as well, amount of students entering universities are also on the increase. However, that's not the only market that we as Vast Foods can target. We also going to focus to the Korean market. As we have seen, there's a growing percentage of people here that are actually seeing plant-based diets as a healthier option. And the age ranges that focus on these that want to focus on these healthy food options is quite diverse. So therefore, we have a market internationally as well as a market locally. So what will we offer our market? We'll offer them food free from gluten, lactose, eggs, nuts, and other common allergens. They'll be vegan certified. They'll be portable, easy to use, and they'll be clearly labeled so that you can be sure to get what you need, as well as a wide range of pricing catering to students as well as to our premium clients. So, who will be our core target market? These will be mainly foreigners entering Korea that are sensitive to food and have allergies, essentially. The second target market we're going to focus on are people that essentially want to eat healthily. Moms catering to their kids, wanting to have healthy options, people on diets, and people that wanting to choose to have a more environmentally sustainable lifestyle. These will be our core customers. However, looking at the business customers that we want to target, we want to target grocery stores, convenience stores, as well as create an app that is easily accessible to people entering Korea immediately that can access fresh, certified vegan, safe, and allergen safe foods. So, why would these students and international um, travelers choose us? For the convenience. It will be pre-packaged and will be catering to their specific requirements. The taste will be great, as well as we'll have a clear list of ingredients that they can be sure that whatever they're eating, they know that is suitable for their diets. If you look at our value proposition canvas, I've mentioned some of all the key pain points that we are essentially alleviating with the gains that is coming from our company. And our products are healthy, sustainable, and ready to eat foods with unique flavors. So taste will be our key focus area. Then, if you simply look at what products we are actually making, we have a wide variety of products. We're making ready to eat meals, Snacks essentially would be a key focus area that we'd focus on vegan snacks, healthy, flavorful snacks to satisfy your cravings. Um, we're also going to look at customized meal kits for those students that want to actually cook their own food if people want. So therefore, the food will be pre-packaged with fresh foods straight from the farmer's market. We offer beverages, coconut water, cold pressed juices, smoothies that are vegan and allergen certified safe. Then, if you look essentially at our value chain canvas, our key partnerships will be with local farmers and food suppliers, distribution logistics companies, retailers, influencers, essentially that follow this diet that can essentially target our market before they enter Korea. So people that know before they enter Korea, this is what they should get. Our key activities will be sourcing and preparing, delivering, developing products, packaging and branding, marketing and customer engagement. Our essentially key resources will be our food sourcing partners, production facilities, distribution networks. Our value proposition, essentially, like I've mentioned, it's the healthy, tasty, convenient foods. Our customer relationships will be personalized recommendations through the influencers. We'll engage our community on social media. Our channels will be online, like we said, through our app. We'll also go through retail, and we'll also go directly to customers as well. Our customer segments are very, I've mentioned them, international tourists, students, moms. Our cost structure essentially will be ingredient sourcing and production, labor and staffing, marketing and advertising, and packaging and distribution. And our revenue streams will be varied from our diverse products. We'll look at subscription services for recurring revenue, and we'll look at licensing and co-branding for other food companies that actually want to partner with us to go on this safe and allergen-free food journey. I'll now hand over to Hyuk Jin, who will essentially take us through the cost projections. Thank you.
Hello, everyone. Today, I'm going to talk about the cost projections, and let's discuss the projected cost for setting up and operating our business. This comprehensive breakdown will provide insight into the major expense categories and their estimated ranges. The first category is legal incorporation. This includes fees for registering the business and setting up its structure, which are estimated to range between 5K to 10K. And next, we have initial inventory costs for launching production and stocking essential supplies. We estimate this to cost 10K to 20K. Equipment and technology are among the largest expense. In-house production equipment will require an investment of 30K to 70K. Additionally, we'll allocate 5K to 10K for software and technology systems. Branding and marketing are crucial for establishing our presence. Website development costs are estimated at 3K to 15K. And branding and design efforts will require an additional 2K to 7K. In total, this category ranges from 5K to 22K. For workspace, including security deposits and rent, we're budgeting between 3K to 8K, depending on location and size. And essential services include insurance, estimated at 2K to 5K to safeguard our operations, and utilities such as electricity and water, which will cost about 1K to 3K. To sum it all up, our total cost projection fall within a range of 61K to as big as 153K, covering everything needed to launch and operate effectively. This structured approach ensures we're financially prepared for a successful start.
Okay, hello everyone. Today I'm excited to share our revenue projections with you. And before we jump to that, I want to share the assumption for our revenue projection. Our product categories, there are two. The first one is snack products, and the second one is meal products. And for our pricing strategy, we're gonna sell snacks at $5 and the meals at $10. And our assumption that snack sales starts at 50,000 units and increase by 25,000 units annually, while meal style starts at 20,000 units and increase by 10,000 units annually. So, as you can see, this line chart visually represent our projected revenue growth over the next 5 years. So the blue line represents our snack product revenue. It shows a steady and strong upward trend, and the orange line is represents our meal product revenue. It also demonstrates consistent growth. And so, as you can see, both product categories contribute to our overall revenue increase. And by looking at the table, we project a total revenue of $1,350,000 by year five. So this projection is based on our key assumptions, and we are confident in our ability to achieve these projections. So this plan will require a team effort, and I know, but I'm excited to work with all of my team to make it a reality.